Let's have a look at the dictionary comprehension in Python. So in my Jupyter notebook, first of all, I am initializing a dictionary. I am creating a dictionary, let's say with two values, a equals 1 and b equals 2. So that is very simple to create. D equals curly brackets, and in single quote you give a, and after colon give the value, and then comma, and then in again single quotes give the key, which is b, and the value after a colon. So if I try to print D, it will give me that dictionary. Now let's say you want to add 10 elements in such a dictionary. You want to create a dictionary with 10 or 20 such elements, and let's say the values are like number and then it's cube. Okay, so for that we either can create all those things manually, or we can use dictionary comprehensions. So let's say you want to print key as a number, and the value would be cube of that number. So in curly brackets, x colon x cube for x in range 10. So it will give you 0 as a key, and then value would be 0, cube of 0. 1 as a key, value would be 1, and then 2 as a key, value would be 8. So here we have used x as key as well as value. But if you want to use a separate key and a separate value, because this is not making any sense, because earlier we used a and b as keys, here we are using number as a key, number as a value. So use k as key, v as value, and here instead of giving just the range, you need to specify all the keys in the form of array. So you need to use zip function. In zip function, you need to first give the argument which is in the form of a list. So give all those keys comma separated in the form of a list, and then value as a range, let's say. So now we have created similar list as we created earlier, but this is created using list comprehensions. Now we need not add all those elements manually. We can iterate it for, let's say, 100 range, and it will create a list in one line. Now if I want to see all the items of this list or this dictionary, I can use d.items. In Python 2, we used to have function iter items, which does not work in Python 3. We used to have function iter keys and iter values in Python 2, but now we have keys and values function directly. So instead of this, we can use d.keys to print the keys and d.values to print all the values. So that's all about dictionary comprehension. If you want to learn more such concepts of Python, please subscribe to our channel and stay connected. Thank you.